Welcome to my spooky lair, affiliates. Today we are going to be covering some sinister offers with screamingly high EPCs and AOVs to die for. First, we'll be starting. I felt some lightning. Sorry, it gets me jittery sometimes when I have it happen. It won't be the last laugh that we have today. Starting with our first sinister offer, Live After the Fall, and it helps teach people when they might be afraid of impending end of the world scenarios. It's my favorite kind of scenarios. Well, outside going to the grocery store and get a good deal. Have you ever gotten a coupon that you just were ecstatic about? Truly sinister price savings. But I digress. Let us focus again on this offer, Alive After the Fall. With a high converting VSL, you will terrify the masses of any conservative audience that you might have, with an average payout of $26 and conversions that will stuff your EPCs with numbers one might call evil. Coming in with my second sinister spooky offer, we're going to start with one of my personally favorite types of conversations to have, especially around the holidays. And for those of you that love torture and pain and discomfort, I'm talking about conversations that are political around the dinner table. Oh, my favorite. And we're going to be talking about an offer that works perfect if you have a political list or anybody that loves conservatism and fears the liberal agenda. And that's one of my favorite individuals designing Trump bucks. So if you are worried about a conversation popping up over the holidays, then this is the perfect offer for you. Embolden your audience with delightful AOVs and EPCs with your Trump bucks and have a devious time. And finally, for the final spooky offer, this one hits me close to home, mainly because right now, and probably for the last century, I find myself thirsty. And you might think thirsty for blood, but really I'm just thirsty for some water. If anyone has one, that would be great. But this offer is perfect for those that might be fearful for their exposure of water, or more importantly, to sustain life. This offer is called Air Fountain and is currently boasting $41 average payouts for individuals with a powerful, fear-driven VSL. And for those of you, oh, I feel the lightning power. Bring it to me. But for those of you that don't know, 41 is being one of the most evil numbers. That's why it's so powerful, and we want to push it and promote this currently #1 ranked offer in the survival space. So if you have an email list of those that might want to prep or be fearful of the current political climate, I would strongly suggest that they embrace their dark side, that your audience will enjoy and eat up for maximum conversions. Now, if you're looking for more darkness as you want to embrace it during the spooky season, I recommend you go to the survival subvertical on the ClickBank marketplace and indulge in the darkness that it has to offer, particularly during this political time frame as we go through midterms. And please enjoy all of its delights, because next year I might see you with a different set of scary selections.